Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is yet another love reading. This is for fire signs, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. I was just reading it there like I always check because I always forget. And so this is a reading for fire signs, love reading, and this is a general reading, guys. Always remember that, like I always say. I just wanted to give 2-3 traits because I can see, I was just seeing the people, what traits they have under the fire sign or the elements. So confident, uh, fun, excitement, explorers, inspirational. Those are the words that go with you. Those are pretty fantastic words. So let's see, what are your love messages. I'm going to start with the first one, which says harmony, and it has come reversed. I feel not working with the one that you love with in harmony, some kind of tiff, or you guys don't work well together right now. I'm saying right now the situation is like that. I also feel that fire signs, you're dealing with an earth sign, and that is why the situation is happening. You two are going through different kind of feelings for each other, or and that is the cause of the tiff is what I get. So not working together, not working in harmony, discord in the relationship, guys. I think it should be over. It's just a temporary situation is what I get. Though satisfied in your life, though I feel you're satisfied in your love life, and it is just you are out of sync with each other. That's the word that I'm going to use because I get it as a channel message. So I think things are going to be okay. Give it I want to say 10 days, 11 days and 12 days from now onwards. Whenever you read this, whenever you listen to this reading, guys, these are timeless readings. That's what I always say. And whenever you are listening to this, so just add whatever time frame or timelines or duration that I give you. So 10, 11, 12 days from now, whenever you listen to this reading, things are going to be fine. You're pretty much satisfied in your relationship. It's not that you're not happy with the other person, but yes, right now, like I said, both are not really in talking terms, or there is something that's just happened recently, and you had a fight. I would say a tiff on a very small thing. The issue is not very big, guys. And I think you are accepting the mistake, or the person you involved with is going to accept the mistake. One of you is going to come forward and say, I'm sorry it happened. I know that we both didn't mean it, but it did become a situation, and I think we need to handle it with care. And I think you'll be back together. It's not a big deal. You didn't have a big fight. That's okay. Let's see, what are the other messages. Detachment, it's come reverse. So you're not really detached with the person. You're thinking about the person. Probably you're not talking to the person. I think it's the same story. It could resonate with one person, two people, but I think it's the same kind of story. You are not detached, okay? You're very much in love with the other person. You really care about the other person, the person that you're involved with, and you really love the person is what I want to say. And you can't stay away from the person for long. Even if you both fight or whatever the situation, you always tend to call the person, or the other person tends to call you. I also get fire sign attached to a water sign. That's what I got. A fire sign attached to a water sign. So it could be that scenario also. There is respect in the relationship, guys. I'm going to hold the card closer so you can see it's a beautiful card. And there is respect in the relationship. You respect the other person respects you. So maybe all the feelings, everything is mutual between you two. It's just that there is a little problem that's just put things on hold right now. So it's not a major problem. I don't think it's a major problem that cannot be solved is what I'm getting. um, no, it doesn't belong in the reading. I don't want to take that. It's not. It's coming again and again. So I'm going to take this card. It says it is all about remove fear from the relationship, and distinguish between reality and illusion. So maybe the tip that you have is all in your mind. Really didn't the situation wasn't so bad. You both are thinking in the same way that the situation was created, or it's created in your head. Really didn't happen in reality. So guys, I think it's time to distinguish between the two things, and you probably can make the first move and call the other person is what I get as a channel message. I'm going to change my deck and see what are the other love messages that I can give you guys. I get waiting for the other person. You're involved with somebody whose name begins with P. I want to say that waiting for the other person to come in or to call is the energy that I get from this, and I think that will happen very soon, or you will make the first move is what I get. I also get the person you're involved with is not near you right now. Yeah, it is a COVID situation, but I think the person is not even in your state or whatever, or your city. It's a little far. The person is a little far away from you, and that also causes unnecessary worries. You to have unnecessary worries in your head because you're not closer to the person, and that puts more stories in your head. Things are going to be fine. I said 10. So 10, 11, or 12 days, things will be fine. You will be back together. You'll be talking to each other, and whatever problems you had with each other, I think you're going to talk about them, and it's going to be solved. Things are going to be okay. I get 10 number. I'm going to take 10. Like guys always say, I haven't read tarot. I haven't taught myself anything. This is what I feel as a message during that time. When I hold the card, and I don't read the tarot the way it is supposed to be read. Those are more channel messages, and these are I use tarot as a tool. So whatever the feelings that I get, I'm also an empath and a medium. So whatever feelings or emotions I get, or whatever I get, through what my spirit guides want me to tell you guys is what I channel when I'm holding the card. You are going to be back together, guys. Like I said, you're not going to keep away from each other, and you belong together, guys. I feel this is a very a great relationship that I'm talking about. I'm getting a lot of feelings when I'm holding this card. I feel you guys know each other for 6 months also. That's what I get from the number 6. And you guys belong together. That's what I want to say. I feel fire also involved with air, especially with this situation, or the couple that I'm talking about. You guys are also involved with the air sign, and you balance each other out, and you belong together. I get a very soulmate energy. Normally they say soulmates, it's very difficult for soulmates to meet. They get separated, or they have to go through a lot of ups and downs, but I get a lot of loving energy with this card, and you guys do belong together. That's what I get. I get money news also coming for fire signs, though it's not a love prediction, but I feel the person that you involved with is also busy making money. That's another message that I get, is not probably giving you time. Probably that's one of the problems you guys face. So if you're a girl watching this, or if you're a man watching this, if you're a woman watching this, I should say that the other person is busy making money, or there is money on money problem happening, and that's why the person has not been able to give you time. I think that's one of the situations that is troubling you, that the person is not spending enough time with you, and that's causing you to worry, and that's probably in your head. That's why I said distinguish between reality and illusion. It's not that the person is leaving you, doesn't want to give you time. It's just that the person is thinking about money, and that is important also. The money situation is important. Like I told you, there's a money decision happening. Probably the person doesn't have much money right now is what I get, or the money has become less. It's the money situation is less, and the person is looking at the money situation right now, and is worrying about money more than love. It's not that the person has forgotten you, or is not worried about you, is not attached to you. It's all the problem of money and time. I think the problem is that the person cannot give you much time right now. And it's not that you're not on the mind of the person. You are very much on the mind of the person. The person thinks about you. It's just that he or she has to think about other things also. So I feel that's what's been worrying you. You feeling that the other person, especially if you're a woman watching this, you feeling that the other person is not treating you like a princess, is not spending much time with you, or is not thinking about you, but the person is. Just give the person a little bit more time. Yes, the man you're thinking about is worrying about how to save his throne, or how to save his business. I get more of a business. I'm picking up more business energy from here. So the person is actually taking care of his business, and is worried how to make money, and that's why the person is a little busy right now. So mostly the messages are similar, guys. Sorry, it's hot. So that's what I tend to do when it's very hot. I'm feeling flushed. Though the AC is on, but it's very humid right now. I want to give you 3 more messages from this deck. Let me see what are the love predictions for you guys. So guys, you have a fantastic, beautiful relation, very magical relationship that's magical in every way. Just little things that probably are coming in between right now. The person has not been able to give you time is one of the situations that I get. Vulnerable. That's why you're feeling vulnerable. Don't feel vulnerable and start seeing someone and thinking in your head that the other person doesn't have time. I want to caution you. You are going to do that. You're going to think about the person, that the person doesn't belong in your life anyway, or the person has left you. You cooking up stories in your head. Please don't be vulnerable. The person is going to come back. The person doesn't have the time right now. Please understand that, fire sign, especially if it's a water sign or an earth sign that you're dealing with, the person doesn't have time. Allow yourself to receive. You've closed yourself now. You're probably not listening to the other person. You're not trying to understand the other person's situation, fire sign. Be more empathetic and have empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoes and understand the person is not doing it deliberately. It's just a matter of time, and the person will be back with you. Share your art with the other, with the world. I think you need to keep yourself busy is the channel message that I get. You're not keeping yourself busy, that's why you're waiting for the other person. You have too much free time in your hand, you're thinking too much, not doing too much, not using your time well, and just thinking about the other person, thinking what's going to happen, what's wrong in the relationship. So putting your energies all in the wrong place and on the wrong thing, and on you're thinking, wrong, too much, spending too much time thinking unnecessary things. Guys, I told you, time management. It is a time problem. There is nothing else in the situation, guys. When my messages get validated and the channel message is right one after the other, guys, it's just about time. Give this situation and this love time, and it will blossom. Remember that the person is going to come back to you. You also use your time well. That's what I want to say, guys. Use your time well. It's not good to have an idle mind. Like they say, an idle mind is a devil's mind. So don't put all the wrong things in your head right now. And it's not needed, and it's totally unnecessary, guys. Fire signs, I don't know, you've got too much time in your hands. I feel I should have 48 hours in a day. There is, I don't have a single minute to just think and just sit and think about anything else. So, guys, keep yourself busy. Let go. Let go of the negativity. Taking too much control of the situation. Thinking, also controlling the other person, that call me, do this, spend time with me, this is not right. Let go of the situation and things will be right. I am not saying, guys, let go of the person. I am saying let go of the control on the situation. You cannot control the situation right now. The person needs time. So, guys, fire signs, this is one reading that is coming back to the same message again and again. No matter what deck I pick up right now, it is wanting me to give you the same message. One more message from here. Agent or manager. I feel somebody is going to bring news. Some news is going to come through to you through someone. So either it's a job situation, guys. Though this is a love reading, I also feel you met the person through someone. So the person I'm talking about, either you met the person through someone, a friend, he or she was a friend of your friend, or there is some news coming to you. So if it's a new relationship, I get that you're going to meet the person through someone. That's another big message that I want to give you, guys. Let's see what are the lucky alphabets for you. And they, like I said, they always form a word on my palm, and I feel that there is a message always hidden in those words. So alphabets, I'm going to hold them up to you. The palm, I said M, but it's actually a W. So I'm going to say M and W are both important to you. So this is a male-female situation. Yes, this is balancing. Both haven't been able to balance each other. That's what I feel. There's an M again. There's an M and there is a O. So these are important to you. I get my own time. With this I get the words my own time. That's the channel message I want to say, that my own time, free time. I don't even get time for myself. The other person is telling you. So how will I give you time? I also get Om. Need to chant this. If you can chant this, it will clear your mind. It will clear negativity from your life. And I think you need to meditate a bit. That's what I get. I also get the words from now onwards. So from now onwards, you're going to think positive. Your relationship is going to heal. You're going to think good things about the relationship, and the person is going to come back to you, guys. That's what I get. I also get mom. So take care of your moms. I'm going to put a mom. I also get wow from this. The relationship is a wow. I also get mom, guys. Take care of your mothers, please. Whoever is listening to this reading, and if your mom hasn't been feeling well, please take care of her. I also feel show love to her. So love prediction is always not for the lover or your partner. It could also be family, and I really think you need to say to your mom that you love her. That especially for fire signs, your mom wants to feel appreciated. You've not been saying thank yous to her. You need to show gratitude. So remember that really, this is a love reading, but this is a good loving message for your mom. Okay, let me see what are the colors or charms that I think. So red, fire, red is good for you. fire. This is like kind of light red because the light comes from from the back, so you can't see it well. But yes, red, and I'm going to say pink. So pink is also good for you. So these were your love messages. I hope you enjoyed the reading, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do comment and let me know what kind of predictions that you love. I'm going to be back with another prediction very soon. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.